Did you know that a common food additive could be linked to celiac disease? Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder where gluten, a protein in wheat, rye, and barley, triggers the immune system to attack the gut. It's common, lifelong, and can seriously harm health. But what causes it? A review suggests that this food additive might be a culprit. For those with celiac disease, even a tiny bit of gluten can trigger an immune response that damages the small intestine and affects nutrient absorption. It's uncertain why this autoimmune reaction happens, but specific genetic mutations seem to play a role. Environmental factors, including food additives, have been proposed as contributing factors. One food additive of interest is microbial transglutaminase, a bacterial enzyme used in processed meats, dairy, baked goods, and more. It's used to improve food texture and shelf life. This enzyme functions similarly to the transglutaminase produced by our bodies, which is targeted in celiac disease. Studies have shown a correlation between the increased use of this additive and the rising incidence of celiac disease. The gluten protein fragments left after digestion are highly susceptible to transglutaminase, creating new peptides that our immune system recognizes as foreign. This triggers an immune response that damages the gut lining. Gluten also weakens the connections between gut cells, allowing more gluten-derived proteins and transglutaminase to breach the barrier and interact with immune cells. So, is microbial transglutaminase safe? The answer is unclear. Associations have been found between this food additive and celiac disease, but further research is needed to understand its exact role. While we wait for answers, those with celiac disease must adhere to a gluten-free diet. Transparency and vigilance in food labeling are essential, especially for foods processed with microbial transglutaminase. In conclusion, the potential link between this common food additive and celiac disease raises important questions. Understanding the causes and triggers of celiac disease is crucial for prevention and treatment. Stay informed and make informed choices about the foods you consume. If you enjoyed this video, you'll be sure to enjoy this one. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I release a new video. Be sure to check out some of the recipes on my channel as well.